Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So good early morning, good Tuesday early morning. We're here at our studios, at our MRP studios in Warsaw. Before the flights today, we're flying to Paris this morning at 7 in the morning flight. Probably we'll see some of our colleagues on that flight as well. GRI, Global GRI or European GRI is in Paris today, Tuesday and Wednesday. So we'll hopefully, stay tuned. We should have some interesting interviews, some short interviews with some of the guests there, some of the attendees. It's always a big event, always, 3, 4, 500 plus senior directors every year. Great hotel there in Paris. So if you haven't signed up yet, now is probably the time to join either today, the Tuesday afternoon. It starts around 1 o'clock or Tuesday, Wednesday. So it'd be great to see all of you. Let us know if you're going to be there. We'd definitely like to have meetings with as many people as possible. Like I said, we're doing some little interviews or some short interviews with people. We'll be filming from there. So a lot going on the next couple of days in Paris at the GRI conference forum. A lot happening, of course, here in Central Eastern Europe and with Europa Property. Next week, September 19th in Prague, we have our 20-year event, cocktail party and celebration of 20 years of Europa Property being on the market in Central Eastern Europe. We're meeting at Julius Hotel. So definitely come along, drop us a short RSVP if you'd like to join. We'll add you to the guest list. It is limited. The space there is limited, so send us some things. I know we still have some space this week, so let us know. We'd definitely like to have you as part of one of our guests. If you're flying in for the event, of course, Julius Hotel is a great place to stay. A nice apartment hotel and very luxurious for Prague. Very luxurious place in Prague. Also next month, really October, but another big month. We've got our we've got our magazine going to print this week on Friday. Our Europa Property Investment Guide. I know Winston will say a few words about it as well when he gets in, but we're going to print on Friday, and we have extensive distribution throughout the fair, and quite exciting. That's at EXPO Real, and that's the 3rd or the 4th, 5th, and 6th, I think, of October, those for that first week. So it'll be great to see you all down in Munich. October, of course, is a great month for investment. It really is the investment month, kicking off with Oktoberfest. And Expo Real, of course. And then right out 2 weeks after, we have our CRE Awards, exactly 2 weeks after, in Hungary, which is our 5th annual CRE Awards, bigger than ever. A lot of new sponsors, a lot of new people coming. So definitely sign up for that if you are looking at Western Balkans, Hungary, of course, biggest market, Czech, Slovakia, a lot going on there. And that's our CREawards.net. And then if you want to go to the website, right after that, the 26th of October is right here in Warsaw at the InterContinental Warsaw. And that's our CEE Investment Awards, which will be a great event. More strangely enough, the investment market looks like it's shrunk a little bit this year, but it seems like we have more nominations than ever. So it's a great time to meet some new investors on the market, because it's a lot different than from last year or the year before. A lot of new names, so it'd be good to see you all there. So enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll shoot over to Winston Norman for the news, and we'll be right back.
Good Tuesday morning and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. And here are the highlights from the EuropaProperty.com website for today. And today we'll start in the industrial and warehouse industry, where CTP has leased 68,000 square meters to Messe, a major Serbian supermarket chain at CTP Park, Belgrade City, which is set to be the largest logistics hub in Serbia when complete. And the park will offer 135,000 square meters when it is fully built out. And according to Peter Kolongnat, Director of Business Development at CTP Serbia. At CTP, we pride ourselves on strategic partnerships with our tenants, growing with them as their business expands, which is why we believe we will continue to attract other leading businesses like Messe to our parks. Staying in the logistics industry and moving to Poland, where MCG Eastbridge will occupy a total of 56,000 square meters at GLP Krakow 3 logistics centres, and will be the single occupier at the development, which is being built near Krakow. MCG Eastbridge was represented by Axi Immo in the leasing contract. And according to Chief Operating Officer Bartosz Rojewski from MCG Eastbridge, being the sole tenant of the warehouse park gives us a lot of freedom in terms of customizing unique solutions prepared for our clients' needs and planning all logistics operations. Staying in Poland, and developer MDC Squared has, together with Invesco Real Estate, has finalised a lease of around 11,000 square metres in MDC Squared Park, Gliwice. The tenant is an international manufacturer providing comprehensive IT solutions for energy markets, service providers, enterprises, and industrial markets. And MDC Squared Park Gliwice consists of 3 warehouses, buildings, and there's a total of 57,000 square metres. And according to Katarzyna Dudek, Development Director, MDC Squared, we're delighted to welcome another tenant, a global leader in information technology, who has chose MDC Park Gliwice thanks to its low carbon dioxide emissions, as well as reduced electricity consumption. And finally, for today, CBRE have announced that sustainability expert Stefan Balvius has joined the company. Stefan will lead the energy and carbon services offerings across continental Europe, expanding the ESG and sustainability services the company delivers to clients. And those are the highlights from the EuropaProperty.com website for today. For more news, please join me again tomorrow.
Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.